Hello everyone, myself Samadhan Bodke. Today we are going to see how to find the centroid or problems on centroid, and here we have taken the problems on T section. In the previous video we have learned what are the steps to find out the centroid. I will add the link of this previous video so that you can understand what are the steps to find out the centroid and center of gravity. So today we are going to see the centroid, how to find the centroid of this T section. So we are just simultaneously see the steps and solve the problem. So just see, this is the T section which is having this dimension 12, 3 and 10, and this width is also 3 given over here. So just see the object, you can easily observe this object which is symmetrical about this vertical axis. Just see over here, I have drawn this axis of symmetry. So this object is vertical about, symmetrical about this vertical axis. So this is the axis of symmetry, and we have saw already in the previous video, if the object is symmetrical about the vertical axis, then x bar is equals to maximum horizontal distance divided by 2. Just we will apply over here. After solving many problems, you can easily understand how to calculate x bar and y bar when the object is symmetrical about either vertical axis or horizontal axis. Just see over here. So x bar is equals to maximum horizontal distance divided by 2. So object is symmetrical about vertical axis, hence you will directly get, or we can directly calculate, x bar is equals to maximum horizontal distance is 12, so 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So we will directly get the x bar, that is equal to 6 centimeters. So we have to calculate only, we have to follow the procedure for y bar only, that is calculate the y1 and y2. So uh, in the diagram you can easily see this T section we are divided into two rectangles. First one is over here and second one is over here. So as the next step says, first of all divide into figures. Third one is find out the area. While solving the problems, you need not to mention over here step 1, step 2, step 3. Just these steps are we have follow, just for our understanding. You just have to solve the problem and steps keep in the mind. So divide the T section into two rectangles. So now find out the areas of the rectangles. So just we have taken place the object in first quadrant, divide the object into two rectangles. Now the areas of the rectangles. So A1, so this is our first rectangle. A1 is 12 into 3, so 12 into 3, 36 centimeters square. Now area A2, this is the second rectangle, so 10 into 3, so this distance 10 into this width is 3, so 10 into 3 will be 30 centimeter square. So area are so we have calculated the area A1 and A2. So now for the centroids of the rectangles, so we have placed the G1, that is centroid of this rectangle, and G2 centroid of this vertical rectangle. Now the first G1 for the Y1, so just see Y1. We know that in the steps we have already saw the rectangle centroid will be x bar is equals to b by 2, y bar is equals to d by 2. This video is also I have uploaded, you can see. So here is the rectangles. So this is our rectangle having b 12 and d suppose 3. So rectangle, this distance here, y1 is distance of this G1 from x-axis. Just keep in mind y bar is the distance from x-axis and x bar is the distance from y-axis. So this distance, suppose in the formula it is given as directly, just see, suppose d by 2, suppose this is d distance, d by 2, that will be here 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 will be distance of this 3 by 2. But what is our y1? Distance from x-axis, so we have to add the distance 10 centimeter in this 3 by 2. So that will be our y1, that is 3 by 2 this plus this 10 distance. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus this 10 distance, that is 3 by 2 plus 10 distance will be your y1. Now y2 second rectangle is directly attached to the x-axis, so we need not to add any distance. So y2, so this distance b by 2, so 10 by 2, so 10 by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. Now here is the formula which we have to learn. Y bar can be calculated by using the formula. Y bar is equals to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2, and x bar we have already calculated. So just put this a1 a2 y1 y2 in this formula and you will get directly y bar is equals to 8.55, and centroid of this T section is G 6, 8.55, which will be coordinate of our centroid of this composite figure. In this way you can calculate the centroid of this T section. In the next video we are going to see the next section, that is I section. Thank you.